In aseptic manufacturing, every barrier matters, and nothing is more critical than the gloves that connect operators to the process. A single undetected leak can compromise product quality, safety, and compliance. EU GMP Annex 1, 2022 places a clear emphasis on contamination control strategies and the integrity of barrier systems. Gloves must be tested at defined intervals, at minimum, before and after every batch. ISO 14644-7 reinforces this requirement with the framework for how the integrity of an access device, like a glove, should be tested. Routine, documented glove leak testing is no longer optional. It's a fundamental expectation for maintaining sterility assurance. But traditional wired glove testers limit movement, add clutter, and complicate workflows around isolators and RABS. A wireless system changes everything. Wireless testing brings flexibility, faster setup, safer operation, and easier integration into modern aseptic environments. It aligns with contamination control best practices and with the industry's shift towards smarter, cleaner, more connected systems. The Esco Wireless Glove Leak Tester, Esco Intelli-Glove Tester, EIGT, redefines glove integrity testing. Compact, portable, fully wireless, full connectivity. Built on the pressure change principle defined in ISO 14644-7, it delivers accurate, repeatable results anywhere you need them. Its sleek, easy-to-clean design features the integrated inflatable seals, a durable HDPE glove port disc, and a rechargeable and removable lithium battery. The docking adapter is fully customizable to match existing glove port sizes, ensuring seamless integration across isolators and RABS. With built-in Wi-Fi and Modbus TCP/IP, EIGT communicates effortlessly with automation, monitoring systems, and central record management. Users can switch between host tester and the additional tester equipment up to 8, supporting both standalone operation and multi-device configurations in complex containment systems. The Esco IGT software offers recipe management, account control, alarm logs, operation history, and complete test traceability. Electronic signatures, secure audit trails, and electronic records ensure full compliance with 21 CFR Part 11. Every glove test is documented, protected, and instantly retrievable. From RFID glove identification to automated sealing, pressure stabilization, monitoring and reporting, the EIGT delivers a smooth and reliable testing workflow. Operators get test results quickly, consistently, and with minimal manual handling. The Esco Wireless Glove Leak Tester sets a new standard in glove integrity testing. Faster, safer, fully traceable, and truly wireless. Strengthen your contamination control strategy with smarter, cleaner operations. Esco Lifesciences enables a complete translational discovery to delivery.